Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Shein app, and here it opens up in the shop menu where you can browse and buy some stuff. From here we just go into the Me menu, then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, then tap on language, and here we can select the language that we want the app to have. So it's English default, and yeah, we can change it here. Obviously it depends on the region that you select for your location, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.